Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. This week we're creating a trinket tray or a jewelry holder using these two candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. I started painting them with a matte white primer, and then I went over them with a gloss black spray paint, and it created this really cool effect. It was not intended, but you can see it there. It's kind of scaly or crackle looking. I think it's because of the two spray paints. But I guess that's a happy accident because it looks pretty cool. I then took white paint and painted down all of the indents that are already in the bottom of the candle holder. I don't have a super steady hand, so it is a little sloppy, but I think it looks fine. It was a lot of fun to do. I did end up going over both of them a few times with some white and some black to try to clean it up a little bit. And you want to connect all of your lines with little swoops to create that spider web effect. I like watching the spiderweb design come together. It's so cute. One of the easiest ways that I found to paint it was to just lay it on its side and roll it. Then for the base, I'm using the lid of a cookie tin. I did the same thing. I spray painted it with the matte white and then the black, and it crackled again, so I'm just rolling with it. Then to attach everything, I'm using a super glue clear adhesive. Let it set for about 2 minutes before you attach everything, and it's been holding great. After this step, I do spray paint it with a high gloss clear coat, and it was left out in the weather for a couple of days and everything held up awesome. I wasn't super happy with the placement of the clear adhesive, so I went in and covered the cracks with super glue and it worked great. I felt like the bottom wasn't finished, so I went in with some little black and red flowers that I had lying around just to give it a little pop of color at the bottom there. I really like it. I think this is a pretty cool jewelry holder. I'm really excited to use it. But before that full reveal, I have one more quick spooky DIY for you. And it's super easy. Just get yourself some fake flowers and spray paint them black. I did forget to spray paint the stems and leaves of the orange flowers, so I do have to go back and do that. But grab yourself a vase and just start placing them in the vase. I don't really have a lot of experience with floral arrangements, but this was a blast. I used styrofoam in the vase to kind of move the stems around how I wanted them. I've got some of those dog tails back there as well that I'm using. So I had to pop the stems off the flowers, spray paint them, and then just pop them back in. It was super easy. I did work a seasonal gig at one of those places where you make the fruit into bouquets for people to eat, and that was fun. I enjoyed it. I just had fun with the flowers and the arrangement. I really like it. I think it's super cute. I was trying to create something that was glamorous and spooky and goth and Halloween inspired, and I think I did a pretty good job. There it is! I love both of these pieces so much. We've got this gorgeous spooky Halloween bouquet and this really cool spiderweb inspired goth jewelry holder. It holds quite a bit. You can even put your earrings off the side of it, which I thought was awesome. I'm really happy with it. And this is super exciting because the reason this video was kind of late today, we had to drive an hour out to go pick up a French antique desk that I am going to be turning into the goth vanity of my dreams, and I'm so excited, and I'll be able to put my little jewelry holder on my awesome vanity, and you guys get to watch this journey and project unfold. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see how my vanity project turns out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching again. I appreciate you. Stay spooky, and I'll see you next Thursday.